Kato siya, unsa man to siya, gwapo to.
Nairo. Nairo.
Mo si Jordan ni Ero.
See? View? Sama ni. Oh,
Mama, look at this, so pretty.
Mount
May
Rainier.
tsura lagi na siya. Ano ba ito na nag-ero? Pati mo kinailan ako kung future dire.
Smelter smoker truck. For sure.
Basin mo.
Sige na, ginahimo pala nila day. Panaog na.
So pretty. Look, so pretty here.
What is that? You're gonna look?
Ay, maginana ka, yes. It's like still.
There's no Mount Rainier today. Smelter. What is smelter?
Tara, tara.
Glacier Park?
Tanaw siya na ako.
Glacier Park?
Tanaw siya na ako.
Glacier Park? Okay.
Tanaw siya na ako.
What's that? Para Vashon Island. Taran!
Fashion. Siya tanaw na
The Brothers Olympic Mountain.
Mo naman nabasahon tanan. Tara.
Dali.
Dili ko sure din hoy kani siya ba? Di ko
Hala, naglakaw-lakaw na may dili last time dahil mag-picnic.
Hello ka nice din ha sis. Oh my
Yes.
god. That's so pretty.
Yeah, we're gonna walk up there. Nagkato na rin si Dana. Ano ba ya diri?
Very pretty. So ganahan ko din ha. Oh, nice photo shoot din ha.
Hmm.
I should ask Perry to take like a photo shoot. Ta-da, tara.
Last time na ipanay panaog diri, wala nagitangtang na nila. Hindi panay panaog diri last time. Gitangtang view. I wish they opened it. Something going down. You know?
Yeah.
Kalagot ko. Murag ako sa gila, no?
It's so pretty here. Just so glad I took a day off. Get my brain on point. Because I wasn't on my right mindset this morning.
See, tanawa. See?
Oh my god, it's so pretty there. Nakalami ko gwapa din ha. Uy, mura magtag.
See?
Murag ay dili.
Wala ta sa.
Murag wa ko sa kanang tako murag wa ko sa Washington. I think I'm on the different area murag. Yeah, different state. It's true. Seems like I'm on a different state. I think we did like road trips. It's kind of like we're doing road trips. No. Murag road trip tas mura pa tagdigita tas Hawaii. Gusto ko mag-Hawaii, sis.
Yes, kanos aman, dali.
Mag-Hawaii ta, sis.
Lagi kanos na lagi mag-resign ako.
Next month, Hawaii ta?
Unsa nga na aman? June? June.
We don't have to be like at the most expensive hotel.
Hindi
We just
lang.
find na tapo, di man ta perminti sa
Di man
hotel
ko
food. We're gonna be out for the whole
Ako
time
pa,
anyway.
ako
Ang
pa,
kailangan na
ako
nato
pa.
na lang tayo matulgan.
Wa man ko ilabot anang hotel.
Mo ganun na lang tayo matulgan. That's it. For 5 days. And then, sige sis, let's go sis. I wanna go to
Whole lot
Hawaii.
dira kay atong pa na tong schedule.
Sige ha, kasi I'm kuan ako okay kay ko. May time.
Wow. Wow.
That's so pretty.